How to make sticky overlapping sections in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So just click edit site, and then from here, click edit. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to add some example sections right here. So I can add an intro section, for example, this one. And then let me add another section right here. Like for example, this template about section. And then let's add another section right here for a contact. And then what we're going to do is that we need to edit this in CSS code so that we can have the sticky overlapping sections effect. So just click save, click exit. From here, go to pages, and then go to custom code, go to custom CSS, and then we need to insert the code right here. What we need to have is the block IDs of the sections that we have right here in Squarespace. So to do that, you need to have the Squarespace ID Finder. So you can just type in Squarespace ID Finder in your browser, and then you should see it right here as a browser extension. So just go ahead and install this, and then you should have this browser extension right here. From here, turn on the Squarespace ID Finder, and then as you can see, we have some different block IDs right here. What we're going to have is this section ID right here. So we need to copy the section ID. So just click on it, and then it will be automatically copied. And then you can paste it right here. And then we need to add a comma. And then again, copy the section ID. And then add a comma again. Next, copy the next section ID. And then paste it. Add another comma. And then just go ahead and do this until you have all of your sections that you want to have the overlapping sticky effect. So once you have all of your sections right here, what we need to add is this curly bracket right here, the open and close brackets, and then press enter so that we can have a space, and then type in position, colon, and then type in sticky, then exclamation point, then important, then a semicolon. And then what we also need to have is this one. So just type in top, colon, and then 0, then a semicolon. Now, we should now have the sticky overlapping sections effect. So as you can see, when I scroll up or down to my Squarespace website, we have this overlapping sticky sections effect. And then if I click preview for the live website, so when we scroll down, we have this overlapping sticky sections effect. And then that is basically it. So if you want to turn that off, you can just go ahead, delete the code right here. And then when I scroll up and down, we just now have the normal effect right here. But if you want to have the sticky effect, just add the code back in, and then we have the overlapping sticky effect right here. And then that's basically it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.